Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today is the ninth successful day of our 25 days formula challenge. Today we are going to see an interesting formula. I can say it's very interesting formula because it's called as concatenate formula in Excel. What is this concatenate formula? How it will work? It's like it will not sum the values, it will add the values as it is in the two different cells. This will be very exciting formula. You can will show you in the for the video. Don't skip the video, watch till the end so that you can able to understand. Before this day 9 we have uploaded 8 different videos of 8 different formulas, which is very useful and used daily in the reporting task. Do watch and subscribe and share to your friends if you find it's useful. And if you feel like no, this you need to improve something, we need to improve something, I request you to please post your valuable comments in your valuable comments in our post comment section. We'll jump into the video. Let's start with the concatenate. So concatenate. So as I said, it's not like some formula. It will add the value as it is. So equal to concatenate. It says text 1 and text 2. You can say 1. I'm just adding a comma, then like a2 comma b2. You can see the value whatever it is there, it is taken as it is. 1 and 3 is 13, 2 and 3 is 23, 3 and 3 is 33. And if you feel like will it work only for numbers? No, it will also work for the text as well. Suppose for example, if I want to add the name, first name and second name of a person, right? Then I'll say name 1 and name 2, and I'm the near this column I need output. So first I'll type our channel Gokul, then underscore tech equal to concatenate. I'll add Gokul and tech. You can see our channel name is exactly view what we have given. Still like that you can add the other name as well. Suppose I'm adding Rahul and Dravid. So put Control D. You can see Rahul Dravid is added. So this how we can able to concatenate two different text or numbers from two different cells into without changing their value and getting the result as it is as. And if you see there is no gap between Rahul and Dravid. If you feel like you need to add a gap or any other special characters, we can do for that. So you can see there is no space in this between two Rahul and Dravid. This will be little advanced. We'll be discussing in the next advanced set of formula challenge. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you. Jai Hind.